My name is Van Smith, and I founded Smith Strong for a few very important reasons, which I hope you'll appreciate as you're deciding who to choose as your family law attorney. First, I don't think any good enterprise, any good business, any good purpose starts without a very narrowly tailored mission statement for their firm. And so the mission of our firm is to provide a premier family law service from Richmond to Williamsburg, Virginia, focusing on divorce, custody, and support matters for families in central Virginia through that corridor from Richmond to Williamsburg. And so one of the things I want you to know is some of the hallmarks of our firm as you're deciding which firm to use, which firm to select, and which attorney to select. First is every case in our firm is assigned an attorney, a client services specialist, and a paralegal with 12 to 24 years of experience each. And I want you to know why that's important. You're not coming into a firm with an attorney that has too many cases, with an assistant that's shared with several attorneys, and a paralegal that is overwhelmed with too many cases to know your case individually, specifically, and carefully. And so I discovered early on, if I had the client in the middle, and each case had an attorney, me or my associate attorney, a paralegal, we have 3 on staff now with over 25 years of experience each, and a client services specialist. That troika, that trio of people, each have a specific job. The client services specialist is there to keep you informed every week, to coordinate filings in court, to coordinate scheduling with you and the attorney, opposing party, or opposing counsel, and the courts, and to keep you very much informed every week as we go along. The paralegal is there behind the scenes to prepare the documents, prepare the pleadings, to prepare discovery and exhibit binders, so the attorney, when they walk into that settlement conference or they walk into court, they are absolutely prepared. And the attorney is there to be the leader, to strategically guide you through one of the most difficult transitions you'll ever face, a divorce or custody case. And so that trio, that group, will surround you, guide you, and encourage you until the job is done, until we're successful or complete your matter based upon the goals we set out in that first meeting with me or one of the attorneys with my firm. And so that's the spirit behind our firm. But the mission is a little different. Each of those people, I remind every week the spirit, the ethos behind our firm, which is to be absolutely cost effective, to practice with integrity, to be honest, to be encouraging, to be empathetic, to be supportive of our clients, because we realize this isn't just some cold legal instrument that we're practicing, but it's family law. It's involving real families in real crisis, and they need our help every day, every week. And so we have to be there for them. That's the obligation we have as a firm. But you'd be surprised how many times that doesn't happen with other family law firms, and we hear that from clients and former clients of other firms. And so I want you to know that we've developed a system to handle complex family law problems, and not only reach the goal, but reach the goal with skill, with precision, and with honest and open communication every step of the way. So the mission behind our firm is to be not only a premier practitioner of family law services from Richmond to Williamsburg, but also to educate and empower our clients as we go forward together until the completion of your legal matter. And so that's the mission. Those are the players which will surround you if you choose our firm. And I want you to also know that cost and legal fees are a sensitive topic, and we're not ignoring that. And so I want you to know that honesty and integrity also goes into our billing practices. There's no doubt it's going to cost money to solve your legal problems. There's no question about that. But the manner in which they're solved will save you money if it's done the right way. Let me tell you what I mean. Rather than file every motion and rush off to court and enmesh your family in a lengthy court battle, At every stage along the family law case that you bring to us, we're going to ask ourselves, are we doing this as efficiently, as effectively, as solutions-oriented as possible? We're not here to just file some legal pleading. We're not here to rush off to court and get into court. We're here to solve the family law matter you bring to us. And if we can do it outside of court at a cost-effective rate and much quicker than if we went the court route and we have a rational party on the other side, we're going to do that for you. We take no special joy, no special pleasure in showing you how good an attorney we are in court. If we can solve your matter quickly at the settlement table here in our office or at the other office that your spouse hires or your co-parent hires, so be it. We welcome that. We're always pushing towards that solution. We're always pushing towards that settlement. But if the other party's irrational, if the other party's obstinate and refuses to be fair and reasonable, we have no problem going to court and will represent you with zealous advocacy in court. And certainly, in spite of our best efforts, we're in court every week. So I welcome you to our firm. I encourage you to look around our website. But I just wanted you to understand a little bit more about the spirit, about the people behind our firm, and what we mean when we say legal strength. Thank you.